We all know Bank of Canada reacted recently and they reacted good. They dropped the interest rate by 0.5%, which is bringing positive changes to your local real estate market. Inventory levels are dropping. Sellers are finally getting the price they were looking for from a long time. Their homes are selling under multiple offers depending upon what kind of neighborhood and what is the strategy of the listing agent. Buyers are still getting good deals. So this is the kind of market where buyers and sellers both can take advantage of. How? Let's look at these stats and you figure out yourself if this is the right time to sell your home or this is the right time to buy your new home or not. In region of Waterloo, the median sale price have gone up from $730,000 to $736,000, which means the market is finally moving up. On the other side, if we talk about the average price in region, it has slightly dropped from $789,000 to $778,000. It is because the homes are selling in all the price ranges possible. So average, if it is coming down, it is very normal. But the median tells you better picture at what is going on in the region. Depending upon your neighborhood, you will definitely see if you walk in the street, the homes which are already sold, you will start seeing those riders on top of for sale sign which says sold over asking and sold fastest, those kind of riders which are getting common again. Another thing, inventory levels. The inventory levels have dropped month over month. Although if we compare it to last year, they are still higher by 21%. Because a lot of mortgage renewals are coming up and a lot of sellers still cannot afford the home they want. That is where buyers are getting deals. It is all about finding the right match when a seller is trying to sell and buyer is trying to buy. Average days on market is reducing slowly, but they are going down. What we are seeing in especially region of Waterloo market, homes which were sitting in the market for a very long time, some homes which were sitting for 2 months, 3 months, even 6 months are finally starting to sell. A lot of power of sales, which is one of the biggest attraction of the buyers these days, they are selling. I've seen power of sales selling in all across the region, and they are selling for a decent price where the buyers are getting a really good deal while achieving most of the dreams they are having for their next home. One thing which will be very interesting to watch is how the market going towards the holidays will react to the dropping interest rate. We know there is one more meeting by Bank of Canada and those interest rates are expected to drop again in that meeting in December. So usually what happens as we move towards Christmas, the inventory level drops. A lot of sellers do not want to sell because they want to go on holidays. A lot of realtors go on holidays. A lot of buyers, they stop looking for homes because they want to enjoy the holidays either in country or out of the country. One major factor which is affecting a lot of buyers' qualifications still, even with the dropping interest rate, is the unemployment. Unemployment is still rising and it's not correcting, and that is why a lot of buyers are still not coming to the market. But we are expecting the new year will be a different, and new year will bring more job opportunities in the market for those buyers, because when interest rate goes down, people will start spending again, and that spending will bring the cash flow back to the market, and once the cash flow is normalized, people will start hiring again, and hopefully our job market will get better. Let's take a quick look at what is going on in the region of Halton, and just to see how that region is doing compared to us. In Waterloo region, the median sale price has dropped from $1,083,500 to $1,048,000. Now this drop is significant for region of Halton, and this is only month over month numbers. Region of Halton has very expensive homes. Not a lot of people can afford it. And when we compare it to the region of Waterloo, the average price in general is always way less than the Halton region. That's why it is always attracting people from Halton, GTA, Peel region, and people coming from overseas to buy their first home. As we move towards holidays, after December 15, there are major changes happening in mortgage qualification rules. We know we have you can watch my other videos where you can see the mortgage rules are helping home buyers get 30-year amortization now for resale home as well. Before it was only for new build. Now the home buyers can get 30-year amortization, first time home buyer, with less than 20% down on any kind of home they want to buy after December 15. So if you are a buyer who is looking to lower their monthly cost, one of the option you have right now is actually secure a home when prices are still rising, and make sure your closing is after December 15, so you can go back to your mortgage broker and re-qualify for 30-year amortization and lower your monthly payment. It will help you in long run and you will thank me later. Thank you so much for watching my video. As we know that market dynamics are always switching. Today what I'm talking about is based on what we are seeing in the market these days. These dynamics can switch in a week, in a month, or over 6 months, or over a year. So it's always good idea to stay up to date. One of that thing you can do is follow me on my Instagram visionary.villas. And again, if you find this information helpful, please make sure you share it with your loved one. And if you haven't done so, hit subscribe and make sure you click the bell icon again. Thank you so very much for watching my videos. I really appreciate your time.